So for nth tank we have to write, so you can write as for third, fourth and so on, but we will see the terms can we arrange or can we write for the nth tank looking at C1, C2, C3. Now for third tank, fourth tank and so on, so differential equations are complicated, they have to be solved by Laplace transforms. We will not bother about solving those differential equations. We have written here C1 by C0 what we got, C2 by C0 what we got, and T1 E1 this term, T2 E2 this is for n is equal to 2, and similarly for third tank you can derive C3 by C0. You will get here T square by T bar T3 bar cube, T3 bar squared. So this square, e raised to minus T by T3 bar, and here into 2. Okay. So we want to write now for nth tank. T3 E3 will be this right hand side, T square by 2 into T3 bar square multiplied by e raised to minus T by T3 bar. This is again dimensionless for n is equal to 3. So we have for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Okay. Now if this n is equal to nth reactor I want to write. Okay. And this E1, E2, E3 we can write as E1 will be e raised to minus T by T1 bar divided by T1 bar. Here T1 bar in the denominator. Here it will be T2 bar square in the denominator. And numerator we don't have T here, that means T raised to 0. Here we have T, cubic term. Transfer this on this side, so write E3 is equal to 2 into T3 cube. Here we have T square and e raised to minus T by T3 bar. So all we have written. Now check the terms one by one. About T first. Here T is not there, means T raised to 0. N is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Here we have T. N is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So T we have. N is equal to 3. T raised to n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is 2. T square. So I can write for T, T raised to n minus 1. Here we have T1, T2, T3. So, and all is equal to, we can write that is equal to Tn. But all these terms are equal to Ti. So I am writing here Ti. Then here, what we get in the denominator? T1 bar term we'll look at. T1 bar raised to 1. Here T1 bar, T2 bar raised to 2. Here T3 bar raised to 3. Means raised to 1, raised to 2, raised to 3. Means Ti bar. So T1, T2, T3. This Ti is the counter. So we can write it as Ti bar raised to n. So we got this. And here in the denominator, n is equal to 1. Okay. Here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So when n is equal to 3, we have 2 here. Okay. So if I write n minus 1 factorial, means 2 factorial is 2. N minus 2 factorial is 2 minus 1. 1 factorial is 1 in the denominator. And here n, 1 minus 1 factorial, 0 factorial, 0 is also equal to 1. So I can write these terms, and for fourth tank, fifth tank, this will be valid. So simply what you have to do is, if you want to write for fifth tank, so this will be 5 minus 1 T raised to 4. Here 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial, and this will be Ti bar raised to 5. So you can write like this.